You know, as parents age, they often rely on their adult children to handle financial matters.
Today, we set the stage for those adult children to act in their parents' best wishes with Hooper Law Office Attorney Justin Randall. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so first, how do we make sure that adult children are ready to act on their parents' behalf?
As with a lot of things in estate planning and as parents get older, it starts with the conversation, making sure that people are aware of financial matters, where things are, documents, where they keep their money too. So one of the biggest things I recommend is introducing your children to the people you work with professionally.
Oh, okay.
And that kind of snowballs into my next question. How do we make sure we know what accounts our parents have and how to have access to them?
Yeah, so I mean, one thing is keeping a list is a really good idea, or keeping it all in one place. So a lot of times a binder with all the statements is really important, or that introduction to the financial planner, and just that introduction alone, if they manage most things, that takes care of most of that concern. So.
And one of the bigger expenses that parents often face is long-term care.
Right. Yeah.
So how can these children manage these finances? And it's especially important for married couples, right, to plan for that.
Yeah, so I mean, with care costs in the area, pretty average over $100,000 a year, or possibly anyway. One of the most important things to be aware of is whether or not your parents have powers of attorney in place that allow you to do long-term care planning for them if they don't have capacity to do so themselves.
When it comes to record keeping, what do children need to know to make sure that they're keeping track of what they need to?
Keeping track of expenses is really important, right? One of the things we always ask somebody is, what does it cost to be you, right? What does that look like? Because that's really important when you're planning for care. But having access to that power of attorney and keeping track of bills is really important.